Hi again. We've finally made it to our last and final step for sentence completions. We've 1. Covered our answers, 2. Looked for clue words, and 3. Anticipated. Now, our 4th step is to eliminate. And we can do this by a little system that I like to call check it, exit, or question it. So the way that this works is kind of like rock, paper, scissors. A check always beats everything. An X never wins, and a question mark always beats an X. So let's take a look at our example sentence again to see how this elimination system works. We have 5 answer choices here, and each one we are going to try and match to our anticipation enthusiasm. As we go through, we can give it a check if we know the word and it works, an X if we know the word and it doesn't work, and a question mark if we don't know the word. As we can see, A, B, C, and D all do not mean enthusiasm. So we can give them an X, since these are common words and we most likely know what they mean. E, however, does mean enthusiasm. In fact, we've even talked about excitement earlier on, so we can give that a check and go with E as our final answer for this question. So the final sentence reads, Jacob felt great excitement about his upcoming trip to Brazil. Indeed, he could hardly contain his enthusiasm. So now we see how elimination works. In this particular sentence, there weren't too many confusing words, and we knew all of them, so we didn't have to use the question mark. If we did use a question mark, though, and there were all X's and one question mark, we know by our rule that we have to pick the question mark because we've eliminated all the other word choices. Even though we don't know what the question mark word means, we do know all the other words, and we know they're incorrect. So we can go with the question mark word as our final answer, and it'll most likely be correct. Another great trick is, as you get higher in numbers on the sentence completions, the questions usually get harder, and so do the words. So, if you end up with 2 question marks and all other X's, and you don't know which word to choose because you simply don't know what the words mean, go with what you think are the harder words. You probably get it right. So those are the 4 steps that I use for all sentence completions. 1. Cover the answer choices. 2. Look for clue words, both words that tell us something about the phrase and also say-moms. 3. Anticipate. And 4. Eliminate, using check it, exit, or question mark it. For more information, please visit our website at www.sandersontestprep.com.